anak sa negosyo? Have you ever struggled to fire a family member or friend's recommendation even if they are not qualified? Naku anak, maraming business owners ang nag-struggle dito. Let me share Mara and Rico's story. They run an egg wholesaler business and my nephew si Mara, who had no work. Out of compassion, they hired him as a delivery coordinator. Masipag naman, but he had zero logistics experience. He could not track inventory properly. He did not know proper egg handling procedures. And he often mixed up orders. Kaya dahil dito, customers started to get frustrated. Yung kanilang mga clients, they were upset about cracked eggs and wrong delivery quantities. Pero si Mara, she was too embarrassed to confront him dahil mangkin niya eh. Rico naman was frustrated na but did not want to cause family drama. Kaya 4 na buwan talagang tiniis lang nila. Until one major restaurant client almost canceled their contract because the nephew delivered 50 trays of small eggs instead of large eggs for their breakfast menu. And that's when they realized, family or not, business standards should apply to everyone. During our coaching session, we created a clear system. First, they wrote proper job descriptions for all positions. Next, they set performance standards na lahat dapat ma-meet. Third, they implemented regular performance reviews. And lastly, they had an honest conversation with the nephew about his performance. Surprisingly, he understood, even thanked them for the feedback. Eventually, nag-resign din siya voluntarily to find work that was more suited to his own skills. So ngayon, whenever a family member wants to work with them, they have a clear process. Anak, the lesson is this. Mixing family and business is possible, but you need professional boundaries. Love them as family, but manage them as employees. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy. And if you're ready to do better in your business, get your free starter kit. The link is in the comment section.